Okay, so I got this thing cut out. I got all the 8 mounting holes for the fans, 4 mounting holes for the shroud onto the radiator. This thing has definitely lost a little bit of its structural integrity because we got these 2 giant holes in it, but hopefully some of that will get added back when I mount the fans. But yeah, let's get the fans on here first. Oh yeah, we got a lot of the structural rigidity back on this just from adding the fans on. So there we have it. A custom hand-built fan shroud with Mishimoto slim fans. Oh my goodness, guys. This was such a pain in the butt. I built this fan shroud because I'm using a Scirocco radiator in the CRX. It's helping me to get a little bit more room in the engine bay. If you can avoid doing something weird and special like this, I would. Mishimoto has tons of direct fit fan shrouds as well. I mean, they've got their awesome fans. If you can get something from them or a company like that, I would highly, highly recommend it. This, I had to buy tools, I had to buy sheet metal, I had to buy hardware. Like probably all of my costs ended up being more or less what a good quality fan shroud would be. And I mean, I'm not dissatisfied with the work that I've done here, but oh my goodness, it was so much work in comparison to just bolting something right on. So if you do want to do it, I'll put some links in the description to some of the tools I had to get. This is a sheet metal bender, sheet metal cutter. I think I got like 22 gauge steel. I had to get hardware from McMaster-Carr, had to get the fans from Mishimoto. I had to tap this radiator. I had to get the radiator. So like, save yourself some trouble if you can and just get stuff that works and fits. I mean, I am super satisfied. It feels great to have made this, but boy, did it take some time and effort. So that's going to be it for the actual making and mounting of the fan shroud. I still have a little bit of work to do before I can get the actual radiator in the car and mounted. That will come in a later video. You can see the Mishimoto radiators in a previous video I did. That's about it. Stay safe. Keep wrenching.